Hello nail friends, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you guys a giveaway that I won. It is by Acolorful Destiny, and I won 3 different acrylic powders. She's a small company, so go out and support her. And I'm also showing you guys this beautiful new brush I got from S&MNAILCANDI, and it is a gorgeous brush. It's a rose gold brush with tons of glitters in the handle. And I'm showing you guys how I clean it out here. So first of all, you want to fluff out all that excess dust. Once you do that, it's not dust, it's glue that holds the brush together. So once you flick that off, wipe it a few times really good in monomer, and then you are good to go. And I will link the brush down below for you guys. It worked fabulously. This was a size 10 and it worked really, really well, and the brush was gorgeous. So again, these colors are from Acrylics Destiny. I won this giveaway from her on Instagram. Her acrylics are really, really good, you guys. They were super easy to work with, super beginner friendly. I really, really loved them, and I will link her Instagram in the description for you guys. So I'm going in with this purple color you guys see here, and I kind of just did a slanted line there along the sides. And then the clear that I'm using is from S&MNAILCANDI. And you guys, if you do want to get the brush that I got from her and her clear, I will leave the code down below for you guys. I have a discount code with her. It is SMEASYNAILS10. That gets you 10% off, and her prices are already super affordable, so I highly recommend you guys check out her website. Of course, I'm also using her Irresistible Sweets monomer, as always. Super low odor monomer, and it smells like vanilla, so you can't go wrong there. So here I'm taking these little beautiful sequin flowers, and I put them right on top of that clear. And I'm sorry I'm a little out of frame here, you guys, but I'm just filling in the rest of the nail with that purple color from Acrylics Destiny. And I'm doing that to the rest of the nail, and then I'm just encapsulating these little flower sequins with clear. And you guys can see I'm constantly wiping off my brush. The brush is working great. I really, really like it. So now I'm going in with this beautiful blue color, and these both have a shimmer to them, really, really pretty. So I'm patting that down the nail here, wiping off my brush and just feathering that down the nail. And the brush is working really, really well, you guys. I will show you it more in depth in another haul. I have some hauls coming up. And also, you guys, don't make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I notice a lot of you guys watching are not subscribed, and I would love it if you would do so. I review tons of nail products on here. I do tons of nail tutorials, and I show you guys how to get easy and affordable nails from the comfort of your home. So here I am taking this glitter mix here. This is a custom glitter mix that I made. If you want to see more of that, I will link it in the cards. I have a video I did about custom glitter acrylic mixes. Super, super easy to do, and you can get super creative with them. I had so much fun making all of those custom glitter mixes. I already made a bunch more. So if you guys are interested in that, I will link it in the cards below. And I'm just fading this glitter down the blue nail. Alright, so now I'm taking another darker blue color, and I am fading this color down the nail, wiping off my brush in between. And you guys can see how great these acrylics are. I barely have anything there, any residue on my dental bib there. They work really, really well. And then I'm taking some of these butterfly sequins. I am placing them into the wet acrylic, really, really easy. And then on the tip, I'm taking some of the custom glitter acrylic mix that I made, and I'm just placing that on the tip of the nail, and I'm gonna fade it down. Alrighty, moving on to the first nail here. This is the same light blue color that I used on the ring finger, starting in the cuticle area and just fading it down. And you guys, I know that I mentioned this before, but I use the dental bibs now instead of paper towels. They work great, great, great. Super highly recommend. I got the idea off of Michelle's Manis, and they are a super lifesaver. I get them off of Amazon, and I just cut them into little pieces, and they work really, really well. So here on the pointer finger, I did some color blocking here, so I added some of that purple in between, and then now I'm going in back with the blue, and I'm just adding some sequins on top of the wet acrylic as I go. So I did the blue, purple, and blue. So I kind of did like freehand color blocking. It came out really, really pretty. So I love these nails, you guys. They're super spring nails. I absolutely love the way that they turned out. The colors are beautiful. The brush worked great. I really, really enjoyed doing these nails. So then after I finish with this one, you guys are going to see here, I'm going to go back and just encapsulate the pinky because it has the sequins on there. And you guys can see how great the S&M Nail Candy clear is. It's not runny. I have such trouble with clears being runny for me, and this one, it just has like that perfect medium set consistency that like it doesn't run and it just stays in place. So I highly, highly recommend if you're looking for a good clear. So I am just gonna cap the fingers with the sequins on them here, also the ring finger, because of the glitter. Alright, you guys, sorry about that. Phone went off there in the background. Alright, so the nails are all ready to go. I'm going to be applying some no wipe top coat on these. And of course, you guys know me. I thought I could leave it like this, but I ended up adding in crystals. And I think that really took the set to a whole new level. It really gave me like spring glam vibes. I absolutely loved, I love the way that this set turned out. The spring colors are so, so pretty, and the custom glitter on top was just gorgeous. Absolutely loved it. So you guys keep on watching, and I will get back to you when we do our bling placement. Alright, you guys, so here with the bling placement, I am using these crystals. I got these one from Amazon, and I am just doing a really pretty arrangement here around the cuticle areas on the ring finger and the pinky finger. I am using the this wax pencil picker-upper I got from Amazon, and I am just applying stones onto the nails in a design here. I also go on to the ring finger here, and then after that I went around the edges on the middle finger. I thought it looked really, really cute, so I went around the edges of that color block on the ring finger here, and these are AB crystals. Super, super beautiful. The shine is gorgeous, and to adhere these I did use builder gel right underneath that no wipe top coat. I didn't show that, but you apply a little thin coat of your builder gel, any builder gel you want, and then a nice floating layer of your top coat. Do not cure it, and then the crystals stick perfectly in there and they will not budge. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys love these as much as I did. Make sure you are subscribed, and thanks so much, you guys. I will see you next time. Bye.